Happy National Day of Sweden. Glad Nationaldagsferie. It is 6th of June and national holiday in Sweden, Red Day, as it is the national day from when Sweden was independent since the 1500s. A few years ago we celebrated 500 years. I think this year is 503, but I'm not really sure about that, to be fair. So the sun is shining and I am celebrating the National Day of Sweden here in Sickla, in the Nysätra area, as I needed to get a package from Sickla Lake from XXL, so it was perfect to come here for a swim on this beautiful day. Despite being mostly cloudy, there is some sun right now when I'm filming, so that is perfect for this beach adventure. So let me carefully fold the flag and put it in my backpack, as you cannot put the flag on the ground. And I will change to my other flag of Sweden, the smaller one, which is quite nice. So yes, National Day of Sweden and beach adventure with Kris continue as scheduled. And tomorrow I'm actually going to fly to a different country, so stay tuned for beach adventures from the Mediterranean Sea. But enough about Sweden national holiday. Despite I am so happy, I will be posting also some shorts on that. To get here for me it is around 9 kilometers one way, and I took my hybrid bike as I needed to stop at Sickla Lake. And this is a jetty that belongs to Nysätra that can be used by the public as well, as the coastline is for everyone in Sweden. So yeah, nice jetty, and my first swim in Sickla Lake this year. We can see from here all the way to Hammarbybacken, one of the actually the highest spot in Stockholm. And you can also do some skiing over there. It's only, I think, 300 meters above sea level. Now that I see it, maybe it's not even that high. And I have never done skiing there. I have never actually done alpine skiing anywhere, so maybe this winter I'm gonna try it. Beach day 29, 6th of June, National Day of Sweden. Let's then embrace it with a nice swim here at Nysätra in the Sickla area. Oh yes, let's measure the temperature of the water. This is a smaller lake, so it should be, I'm guessing, 17 degrees, because it's quite small lake and it should get warmed up pretty faster than the bigger lakes that we have in Stockholm. Let's see if I was right. Oh, I was actually wrong. It is 18 degrees. Well, I was close, but 18 degrees, which means it's gonna be fine for a longer swim today. So let's go and have a nice swim in the lake of Sickla. I just love the greenery all around, which denotes that Sweden is a forest country with so many trees, even in the capital city of Sweden, that is Stockholm. So think about how it's gonna be in the countryside. Cool, then ready, set, and go! It's so beautiful. The lake is so still and nice, and I just look and there is greenery everywhere. Let me give you a 360. So greenery, lake, that's the Nacka nature reserve over there. We see all the way to the Hammarbybacken hill, and then more greenery and even more greenery. so everything is green. Even the water looks also green because of all the trees, but the water is clean, obviously. And there is even one official public beach down the road, Sickla Beach. There was not so many people on the beach, there were a few people sitting there, so I just chosen a better, more unique spot than that this is. And there is one tree in the water as well, so yeah, amazing. Cool. Well, it looks like this is one of my longest swims this year, indeed. And I'm gonna be chilling here for half an hour maybe, because I need to go home and pack and prepare for my trip tomorrow. I need to get up at 2 a.m. as I have a flight at 7. I need to get to the airport on time. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me on this National Day of Sweden. Happy National Day Sweden, glad nationaldagsferie, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.